Dealing with ants invading your home can be a real hassle, but there are ways to kick them out for good. We are bighomeprojects.com, your go-to website directory for trusted contractors and job opportunities, and here are 7 effective ways to seal entry points and stop ants. Number 1. Identify common entry points. Start by checking out where those little critters might be sneaking in. Look for cracks in your foundation, gaps around windows and doors, and even where utility lines enter your home. Those are prime spots for ants to set up camp. Number 2. Use caulking and weather stripping. For those smaller gaps, grab some silicone or acrylic latex caulk. It's super easy to apply, flexible, and will help keep ants from squeezing through when you close your doors and windows. Number 3. Apply foam sealant. Got larger openings? Expandable foam insulation is your go-to. It expands to fill the space and creates a solid barrier, but remember to wear gloves. It can get messy. Number 4. Install mesh screens. Covering vents with fine mesh screens is crucial, especially in attics or basements. It allows airflow while keeping ants out, so make sure the mesh is fine enough to block even the tiniest ants. Number 5. Use steel wool or mesh materials. For cracks that need a bit more blocking power, steel wool is tough and keeps ants from gnawing their way inside. Just pack it tightly into the cracks for the best results. Number 6. Clean surfaces regularly. Regular cleaning disrupts ant trails since they follow pheromones to find food. A simple mix of soapy water or vinegar can wipe away those trails and send them packing. Number 7. Create natural barriers. Sprinkling diatomaceous earth or spices like cinnamon along their pathways can deter ants naturally. These methods are not just effective, they're also safer for homes with pets and kids. For more tips and to find trusted contractors who can help you seal those entry points effectively, visit our website at bighomeprojects.com. Take proactive steps today, and you'll be well on your way to enjoying a pest-free home.